can convert decimals to binary. Don't forget the last video was binary to decimal. Now how to convert decimals to binary. If you want to convert decimal number to binary, firstly know that decimal numbers are base 10 numbers between the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Decimal are base 10 numbers because if you count the number from 0 to 9, it will give you what? 10. So binary numbers are base 2 numbers, which only uses 2 digits 0 and 1. Binary number are base 2 numbers, which only uses what? 2 digits 0 and 1. Now let's look at this example 82. Convert the decimal number 82 to binary. So this simply means that the base of this number 82 is 10. So you want to convert it to what? To binary. Now solution. Method 1. By using division method. This number 82, you're going to draw something like this. Then the number is what? 82. You will then be using 2 to divide this number. You'll be using 2 to divide this number, and you'll be writing the remainder. 2 divided by 2 in 82 will give us 41, remainder 0. 2 in 41, 20, remainder 1. 2 in 20, 10, remainder 0. 2 in 10, 5, remainder 0. 2 in 5, 2, remainder 1. 2 in 2, 1, remainder 0. 2 in 1, 0, remainder 1. So we are going to divide this 82 till we reach what? 0. So the next thing you are now going to do is that you will read the bits. Bits means, this bit I'm talking about means 0 and 1. 0 and 1 remainder. Don't forget, bits means 0 and 1. So we're going to read the bits 0 and 1 remainder. We're going to read bits from the bottom to the top, something like this. So if you read this up, you are going to start from 1. So your answer will be 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So this answer you've gotten is now in base 2. This simply shows that our 82 in base 10 is equals to 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 in base 2. Now guys, let me show you the second method you can use in converting decimal number to binary number. I call this second method the doubling method. It is very simple once you understand the scope behind it. Now, let's start. The number in base 10 you want to convert to binary is 82. You are going to write it out. 82. Are you there? You then draw your arrow like this. Now, you are not going to move. You are going to start from this right hand side to the left hand side. The first number you're going to write in this right hand side is 1. After you've written your 1, you're going to double this one to give you 2. If we double this 2, it will give 4. If we double this 4, it will give 8. If we double this 8, it will give 16. If we double this 16, it will give 32. If we double this 32, it will give 64. Now, if you should double 64, it is going to give you what? 128. And this 128 has already exceeded 82. So this simply means that we are going to stop at what? 64. The next thing you will now do is that this first number where you stopped, this last number where you stopped, you are going to represent it as 1. Now, when you represented this first number, or let's say the last number where you stopped as 1, the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to add this number to the next number. If you should add this number 64 to the next number 32, if it gives you 82 or a number lesser than 82, you are going to represent this 32 as 1. But if it gives you a number greater than 82, then you are going to represent this 32 as 0. Now let's do this. So 64 plus 32 will actually give us 96. So this simply means that if we add 32 with this 64, it gives us 96, and 96 is greater than 82, then we are going to represent this 32 as 0. We move on to the next one. This is the next number. If we add this 64, this 16, the next number with 64. If you should add 64 to the next number and it gives you a value that is greater than, that is equals to or less than 82, you are going to represent this 16 as 1. So let's check this out. So what is 16 plus 64? So 64 plus 16 will actually give us what? 80. It will give us what? 80. So this simply means that 80 is less than 82. We are going to represent 16 as 1. So now you will now see that 64 plus 16 has already given us 80. Abi? So you will now add the next number with 80. So this simply means that if you add 80 plus 8, it will give us what? 88. 88 is greater than 82. So we are going to represent 8 as 0. We are still on 80. 80 plus 4 will give us 84. 84 is greater than 82. We are going to represent 4 as 0. We are still on 80. 80 plus 2 will give us 82. Since if you add 2 with 80, it will give us 82. Then we are going to represent 2 as 1. And since we have already exceeded the maximum, the last number, which is 82, this one will automatically be 0. So this simply means that 82 in base 10, 82 in base 10 equals 1010010 in base 2. Let's look at another example here. 19 in base 10 to binary. Now let's do this. You will write your 19. The arrow, you will start from the left, from the right hand side here. So you start with 1. If we double this 1, it will give you 2. If you double this 2, it will give you 4. Double this 4, it will give you 8. Double this 8, it will give you what? 16. Note that once you should double 16, it will give you what? 32. 32 is already greater than 19, so you are going to stop at what? 16. Don't forget, the next thing you are going to do is that the last number where you stopped here, you are going to represent it as 1. The next thing you will now do is that you are going to add this 16 with 18. If the addition of 16 with 18 gives us 19 or a number lesser than 90, then we are going to represent 8 as 1. But 16 plus 18 will actually give us 24. 24 is greater than 19, so we are going to represent it as 0. Now, we are going to cancel this 8. Let's move on to the next one. So 16 plus 4 will give us 20. 20 is greater than 19. It will represent 4 as 0. We will cancel this 4 also. 16 plus 2 will actually give us what? 18. 18 is less than 19. Maybe we will represent it as 1. So 19, sorry. So this is 16 plus 2 give us 18. So 18 plus 1 will give us 19. So this simply means we also represent this one as what? As 1. So this simply shows that 19, this simply shows that 19 in base 10 equals 10011 in base 2. You can confirm with method 1. So let's confirm with method 1. We want to convert with method 1 your division sign. So 19, right? 2 in 19 will give us what? 9. Remainder 1. 2 in 9 will give us 4. Remainder 1. 2 in 4 will give us 2. Remainder 0. 2 in 2 will give us 1. Remainder 0. 2 in 1 will give us 0. Remainder 1. So if we should read up this simply means that 19 in base 10 equals 10011 in base 2. So that is it, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.